Welcome everybody to turn 7 of the Tyronia Hotseat. Let's get started here. Alright. Let's see here. Betrothed to her. Yes, you may marry her, my friend. In return report, we are pretty much the same place we were last turn. And he got married, of course. Now we do have a battle to fight, which is a good thing. Also, I want to make sure I spend my money wisely. I need to get more important, like the most important thing I need right now is probably garrison quarter. I need to build those up as much as I can. So we'll do that, and then we'll see what we can do with the rest of our money after this. I want to upgrade this as well, but we will see after we take this how much money we get. So let's jump into this battle. Hopefully this map isn't broken like the last one was, but we'll see. Okay, oh, they have more of those. Right, we just killed them like we did with last time with the Irish currents, so no problem there. We need to watch out though, because these peasant archers last time tore us up. We could probably run the border horse in and deal with them, honestly. But what I'm worried about is the Irish currents. We need to. If our king dies, that's fine. He's probably close to death anyway. But I don't. I'd rather not get him killed. We have a bigger family. That first castle, I think the name was, we've since changed the name to Malcolm's because that's a cooler name, let's be honest here. Alright. Now, this is a good spot, but is there any better spots we can go? Not really. There's 3 towers there, that'd be suicide. There's also like 3 towers right here. Let's put some of the ladders over here. These guys on the ram. I don't really want these guys on the ram, but I guess they're fine. Let's get these guys. You guys can also be on the ladders. That's fine. Okay, they might have archers up on the walls. Ram. I want to get the kerns up on the walls though. Shoot down at those Irish guys or whatever they are. The horses are back here, they're fine. Cavalry together. Archers, let's group those together at this side. Alright. Start the battle. It's like they're. Archers are up here. Are they firing? No, they're just moving. Are they getting off the walls? It looks like they're getting off the walls. That's good. And do they have the kerns up here? Okay, that's fine. So the town militia over here, and these guys over. Can I go up here? Seriously, why not? That's kind of dumb. And those archers are getting off the walls. Now they're going back on the walls. I don't know what they're doing. Alright, bust down those gates. Over here. Oh, I don't want you guys to fire. Stop it. You gonna look for me? Yeah, you can. That'll help a little bit. The towers are gonna tear you up, though. Kerns are gonna tear up these guys as well. But they should fall quickly to these guys. So. God, these towers are tearing up the Highlanders, man. These guys are expendable, that's fine. I hate to watch them die like that, but I don't really have another choice. I'm worried about these guys, though. These guys are a pretty decent unit. Our archers are now firing at us. Alright, so the ram is blown up. Okay, run your ass out of there. So the ladders now.
Walls are no match for the valor and force.
Let's everybody come on this side then. Step forward a little bit. That's unfortunate, but I didn't really plan. I should have had the ladders over on this side, but it's fine. This way they're away from all the archers and stuff. They are taking some heavy damage. from these Irish kerns, but what are you gonna do? Those kerns will die to all this infantry coming up on them, especially the spear militia. Spear militia has taken a heavy beating, actually. These Irish kerns. All right. I think move these archers up. Looks like they are.
The battle is very much in our favor. If we remain true and steadfast, victory will be ours.
These guys are dying. So that's good. That's a good thing. Archers, their archers are now firing at us. Alright, let's just speed this up because I can't really do much else. We also need to move these guys forward a little bit more. Just walk them. Okay. One time speed. We're cutting through them. I need you guys to get off the walls now. Come down here. And I need the archers up on the walls. I need the Irish kern. Well, I need the kerns up on the walls there, actually. I need the archers, like, probably over here. Get off the walls. Get off the walls and come here. You guys also go off the walls and come here. Let these guys come up. Crossbowmen. Did I select you guys? I didn't select you guys yet. We'll wait. You guys can go next. Actually, I think I want to take the. If they're all going to take the same ladder, then you guys come up here. Then we'll sort you out in a second. We need somebody to move forward. Actually, no. We need these guys to move. We need these guys to get up on the walls again. Get it back on the walls, please. I need you guys to move forward up there. I'll use these guys just to eat the fire, because I can just train more of those and they're expendable. So archers are getting up, kerns are getting up. I want these kerns to come right here if possible. If the AI acts like they did last time, they shouldn't attack them. Let's just speed up, get everybody in position. It's gonna take a while. Alright, Spear Militia, I need you guys to move this way. Take these towers if you can. Take the gateway. Okay, we have the gates.
We have captured the enemy's walls.
Okay, that's good. That's what I wanted to happen. They're shooting at the kerns. Right, shoot these guys. Get in a better position and then do that. Hold on now. Hold on. Oh, they're coming up. They didn't do that last time. Alright, that's kind of unfortunate. So we need to get the general inside. We run him through a town militia, though. Him running through the gate should be enough to rout him, so let's get these guys over here. Let's get these guys off the walls down here as well. Help out down there. Archers, open fire. Taking a lot of losses here, but sometimes it's necessary. If you guys can move here, that'd be great. These Irish kerns are gonna get eaten up by these guys. I need to get these guys off the wall because I don't want to lose them. Highlanders are back here. Let's move these Highlanders up over this way. I think that's everybody. Yeah, these guys aren't moving. We have the gates, don't we? No, I don't have the gates anymore. How did I lose the gates? Gateway, thank you. Go through the gates now. How did you lose those before?
Our men are winning the battle. If we continue like this, we will smash the enemy.
Cut to those peasant archers. Irish kerns. Can you come here, maybe, and fire at them that way? Yeah, just fight them if you can. Okay. Can you throw the generals up there?
Lies dead.
Oh yeah, they can. Oh yeah. It's all. I know it's all on fast forward, but that's sometimes the way it has to be.
Only half the enemy force remains.
Okay. Whoa. Let's okay, so these guys can run them down over here. Those are just Irish kerns running away. We need to catch, if anybody, we need to hit these guys in the back we also need to hit those guys. So over here, these guys can push for that. Okay. Faction leader dies. Oh, our king died. Okay, well,
The enemy
shit happens.
army flees the field. After them, cut the cowards down.
He died, but it's fine. He was. Let me look at him. He's old as shit anyway. How do you really? He really died with 58 men in the unit. That's so stupid. That's so dumb. This is a very sloppy battle, but castle battles will be like that. Now let's cut these guys down. Is that the whole rest of the enemy? Just that unit right there? Yeah, get in there. I can't believe he died. That's lame. That's so lame. Kill this guy, please. It's one dude.
This is a clear victory that goes to only men of great virtue.
If I can find him. Is that him right there, maybe? I know he's up against spearmen, but like, come on, man. Nah, it might be him like over here or whatever. Or maybe... Oh, that's him right there, I think. Yes, yes it is. How did you die? You suck. We didn't actually lose that much. I felt like we lost a lot more. We didn't actually lose that much. Oh no! That's fine.
For Scotland!
Okay,
For
we took
Scotland!
that. We need to come over here and take Tyre now. But this army is not in a very good, not in very good shape for that. We're making a lot of money now. Thanks for taking that. It's King Edward. Who's the heir? This guy. Okay, that's fine. He was really old anyway. I'd rather have a young king than a really old king. So Edward's gate. We need to move Edward's army out of here. We'll leave that unit in there. This should be fine, right? Yeah, they're fine. Okay, so we don't have enough money to upgrade that. So we have a mission to build that there. They're not exactly happy about Malcolm's Watch. We're building them that. Maybe I should build another one. Yeah, because I need to get. I need to start putting out some better troops. So I could actually train more men here, and then send them. I'm going to do that actually. That's what I'm going to do. Because we're making enough money next turn. So.
Aye, Lord.
Let's use these guys to scout and see what England's doing. Okay, England has a force here. England has
enemies fear me. Tired of ordering your
King William.
About, eh?
If they head that way, I'm gonna have to go to war with them. I'm gonna go to war with them anyways, but
my king.
Okay, so we're gonna go here.
Setting up an ambush.
England might attack us, but if England attack us, that's fine. I need to send these guys back to retrain. It's gonna take them a long time to get to where I want them to go. If I send them back there, it's like 4 turns. That's a long time in a hot seat. I can move up and maybe talk to England, but I do eventually want to go to war with them. I'm gonna send them here, and then we'll put them on a boat eventually.
His journey is over.
Okay. Let's move King Edward. Let's move him here first, because we need to put a fort right around here to keep the enemy, well, not say the enemy, but keep Barry Knight from, if he ever wants to attack me, it'll just delay him, if anything. Okay. So next time we have money, I'll upgrade Edward's Gate first. I'll build another, probably build a chapel here because we have a mission. That's 4 turns. I'll probably wait till the last couple turns to do that. Probably do something here because this doesn't have anything. So probably spend some money on some roads for this place. And then we'll move into Tyre, which I think is a town. It'd be good to have another town because all we have are castles right now. The castles and then our city rolling out here. Oh, man. Yeah, these guys can meet up with him on his way to Tyre.
Command me.
It's gonna take him a little while to get there, but that's fine.
I only answer to my liege, no other. What?
He's got a lot of archers. It's good. We'll have a decent infantry line, I think. We'll finish pumping these guys out. Train anybody here. I mean, I could train archers. More archers, but I don't really need any more archers.
An enemy to crush.
Let's get more mercenaries. Why not, right? Okay. Interesting traits here. Actually, loyal ties or royal ties, extravagant. Okay, so he shouldn't be a governor. That much is clear. Okay, cool. I think when his brothers come of age, we'll have, depending on what their stats are, I'll probably leave one sitting in the city of Arlenad just to increase the income there, and we'll probably send another one out into the field, probably to link up with this army once we retrain it. It'd be good to have an army over here and an army over in this area too. I do want to eventually go down and push that, so maybe we could use a general to go down and take this if it's not already taken. But it looks like the border there, if you could kind of barely see it, it's very gray, so it means it hasn't been taken yet. Rolandad's coming along pretty good, I think. Got town hall, paved roads, grain exchange. We need to build a market here soon. If we put the market in, that only increases the wealth a little bit. Mines has another 180. We'll probably build those eventually, but not right now. We also need to work towards a church as well, because they're standing with the Pope. It's very even, but I know the Pope is officially dead, but the Pope itself is still like an AI thing, gives you message and stuff. Also, my allies here have pushed out quite well against Turkey, which is really good. I just know that there's another Turkish province here. I think Devon's landed around here somewhere, I think. He also could have landed around here, though, because I don't think he knows that Visceral has taken this yet. So we could come on a conflict with him soon, which is concerning, because I really want to take out England before I do anything else. So also need some watchtowers around. We'll put some watchtowers when we walk Edward around here. I want some watchtowers here. Yeah. So next turn we'll put a fort here, move on this way, continue moving this way. That's kind of out of the way, actually. We could use this guy to put a fort there. Yeah, Prince Stefan. He's pretty good. He's a very good general. He's got 5 stars. I actually probably should use him. Yeah, we'll probably just send somebody over here eventually. Maybe this guy from Malcolm's Watch eventually. So it is good to have a general over here. I've been dicking around too much. Let's look at these, because I know you guys like to see this these stats. Human factions. Overall, we are kind of in there for 4th place with Russia, Venice, and myself. Yeah, it's Russia, Venice, and myself in there for 4th place for the overall rankings. Military ranking, we dropped actually. We're 2nd to last, right below Devon. Production ranking is all over the place. That doesn't really matter though, I don't think. Territorial, we are there, but we now have 6 regions, so we'll be up there with the rest of them. We'll have 7 once we take this, and 8 if we ever get down and take this. Okay. He might actually, I saw a diplomat over here, so he might actually be sending a diplomat near me soon. So territorial, financial is good. Our allies are up there in financial, that's really good. Up there above 4,000, that's not bad. We'll begin there. If we save our money up a little bit, we'll be up there too, because we're making pretty good cash now. Now that we've taken this place and this place. And once we upgrade these places, they'll make us even more money. So I think that's it. So I'm going to end off the turn here and send it off to Visceral Jouster. Make sure you check out everyone else's channels in the description below. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.